What's up, fuckers? I'm back. I've been learning 3D design. I've been learning how to make things from nothing. Why do I look like a Miami meth dealer, you ask? I don't know. That's just how it is. You don't think there's repercussions for looking like this? There aren't. I'm just very self-deprecating now. Some of you know I was working on a game. Some of you don't. None of you care. The guns are done. The sound effects are done. The monsters are done. None of that's actually done, but it's playable and it's silly and it's fun. Once I got to level design, once I got to all my characters being blocks and circles, I was like, I gotta be able to make these. I don't know how to do it. I didn't know anything about 3D design. Big shout out to Infenzia on YouTube. I couldn't have learned any of this as fast as I did without you. The king of low poly blender work, for sure. So, I made a bunch of pandemic supplies for the game. How did I do it? Let me show you. First, you start with a cube. You flatten it with scale a little bit. Edit mode. Select everything. B to bezel it. Transparent. Delete the top edges. Z to set the thing, and then you... Boom! It's a bottle of hand sanitizer. Good job. Good job, guys. We did it. We did it, everybody. Do that a couple more times to a couple different things. And then, what do you know? Bing, bang, boom. Oh, holy shit. We did it. We made a whole crate of supplies. Hooray. Some of you may recall that my homie Wade and I were prepared for the pandemic. We got a bunch of toilet paper. We were ready to sell. Anybody who needed a hookup, we had your back. Well, guess what? We did that in the digital age. Subscribe to the channel if you like what I got, if you like my energy. I love learning. I'm just gonna learn as much shit as possible and hopefully get good at some of it. So come along with me as I work on 3D design and make a game, but who knows what else I'm gonna do. You know me, or maybe you don't know me, but I just like to make things every once in a while. Maybe I'll get more technical. Maybe I'll get more technical in some of these and actually show you how I did it. Maybe I'll just link you the people who got me here that I learned from. I don't think I should be teaching anybody anything, but I think that if you're a student with me, we can be students together and maybe fuck some people up with the karate we learn on YouTube.
Working hard is important, but there's something that matters even more. Believing in yourself. Every great wizard in history has started out as nothing more than what we are now, students. If they can do it, why not us?
My dog's having a nightmare. It's not my dog, it's my stepdog. Do a little bit every day. Who knows where it can take you. Let's make a video game.